ต่อเครื่องโรลีละสิริเปจอหน่อจอจือจอเธอจอใช้ชัวเป้เป้ลุ้นดูจอวิมัวเลยจอเป้สิละเทลีมัวนอมันหามัวนอมัวหาวจีเกนักอันยังรองเราจอรู้ชงนอเจริญดาเป้ตู special speaker ตอนได้นอชื่อเสียงยาเป้ตูประธานยอดจอนเดอร์มองคาโรไลนาสิริยาประธานส่งสื่อ our next special speaker today is President of the Hmong Carolina ChongSu Moua ก็ยกเอาตัวทัดเจอก็รอเป็นประเทศก่อนนะ let's give hand together please
Good morning Happy New Year Senator Richard Byrd Regional Representative George Ward Mayor Pro Tem Hang Guest Yatalao President of the Hmong United Association Kham Moua President of the Hmong American Association in South Carolina Chief Tom Atkins of the Police Department Mr. Gary Price of Hickory American Legion Fairground Pastor Neng Wava of the First Hmong United Methodist Church Leader of the Hmong Committee Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen My name is ChongSu Moua I would like to welcome you all to our 14th annual Hmong Carolina's Hmong New Year celebration Thank you so much for taking the time of your busy schedule to celebrate this important day with us. In the old days, Hmong people would farm continuously on a daily basis for dawn to dusk. Each family worked hard all year round in order to grow and provide enough food for the family. Toward the end of the harvest season, usually around November to December, Hmong people would take the break from work and celebrate the New Year together. Hmong New Year is a time for celebration and courtship, where family and friends would spend time together. Young men and young women who have been busy throughout the year could finally meet one another and socialize through traditional boat tossing game. Folk songs are also sung to bring the good luck to the new year. By celebrating the Hmong New Year, we are keeping our Hmong cultural tradition alive for many generations. Once again, I would like to thank you all for coming to participating in the Hmong Carolina's Hmong New Year celebration. I would like to thank my staff, the Hmong community, vendors, volunteers, and sport participants for your generous support during the past New Year celebration. Without your help and participation, the Hmong Carolina's Hmong New Year would have not been possible. Thank you so much for your continued support year after year. I would also like to thank all of our honored guest speaker for attending this celebration and becoming a part of our Hmong community. Thank you. Nhớ rong trong chia, trong nia trong gì, trong nó trong chữ, trong cứ tin cho phong dư, sẽ đợi số lần sẽ tu, chia cho tôi đây tôi dễ tua. Cú ya trong sự mùa, tuổi thơ chữ để cùng hậu Hmong Carolina, rồi lưỡi thơ chữ số trả lòng. Rong chia tại tòa này sẽ số lần sẽ tu, tôi này chừng, chỉ nên lúc chơi luôn dùng. Nơi lưu siêu môn nông thị tuần rồi bé khi bé cùng hậu Hmong Carolina lưu New Year lưu nọ xong chia có sẽ đợi tàu chạy kiến nó ăn nhau rồng đen chia cả tàu hậu cá chia cả tàu nó có bê mông bê sẽ đợi muốn nó chỉ trong hậu chỉ kinh còn nhau cả xe lù đó lối xong chia và chờ nhau rồng xong chia cũng giờ trong sự mùa
trường dân trong